Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Micki's Arts and Crafts. I know I've been gone for a while, but right now I'm showing you these boxes of tea that I have. Um, I learned a great tip from Design on a Dime to just cut out the front of the tea bag, tea box, and then store your tea bags in the plastic container and then store it in another container that saves space. And so when I was going through my tea bags and tea boxes and things of that nature, I said, "Oh wow, this will be a I have to cut these images out and use them in my glue book or my journaling or for whatever else I want to use it for." So that's what I'm doing now. I'm cutting the images and what are going to become sentiments out of the box. No, I've been gone a long time. Oh, July, I first got a little sick, and by the middle of July, when I was getting ready to come back, uh, I got the sad, horrible, tragic news that a beloved pastor and his wife were killed in a house fire. And guys, I've known this family, especially their children, since I was 12. And to say this devastated me is an understatement. And also, they were such a loving couple that was together forever, and they died right before their wedding anniversary, and they also died before me and my husband's wedding anniversary. And it brought back memories too of my own husband's death. Um, I know not too long ago I told a story where I was talking about my husband, and I didn't use the words late because I feel as though that's a little archaic. And I didn't say former because he's not a former husband. He is my husband, so we didn't divorce. So I just said husband. Um, but I didn't want people to think, if I ever mention him again and you you say, "Oh, how's your husband?" So he's no longer living. But it was a long, long time ago, very long time ago. But the death of these these this pastor and his wife, just I still can't believe it. They were funeral was a week ago, but I'm devastated. I'm still devastated and mourning their loss. And you start to grieve for the loss of your own loved one, especially if it was sudden. And my husband's death was sudden. So that's where I was, and I was gone. I didn't feel like crafting. I had lost my mojo. Crafting just wasn't up there on my priorities at that time. But when I was sick, you still go to work because you got to work. Uh, I wasn't, laid out sick. I was sick, under the weather, really, really under the weather in the beginning of July. But I had to work. I finished working. I would craft a little bit, but I didn't feel like I didn't have enough energy to upload and things of that nature. So that's where we are. I'm back. I guess I'm back. So that's where we are today, and I'm getting a lot out of these boxes. All right, I was a little shocked that there's so much to get, and I like that. We love recycling. Right there, I am really happy for that, and I thought it was kind of cool how the UPC code is in the shape of here is in the shape of the T cup, and the I don't know what's under the table. That's kind of cool too. So I'm getting a lot out of these boxes. So I thought that was pretty darn good. I love to recycle. I love to upcycle. I like to use what I have on deck in my craft. It's pumpkin spice. Probably I don't know. I don't put now. I'm a big coffee drinker. Not a huge one, but I have to have my coffee in the morning. Tea is usually winter thing, a fall and winter thing that I drink before I go to sleep. I do not put, uh, I drink my coffee plain, not my coffee plain, my tea plain. I just, because it's herbal. I just, it's fine. No sugar, no cream, no nothing. I just drink it. And that pumpkin spice is not good. Yuck. It tastes good. I was like, oh, no, that don't taste like, that's not like my pumpkin Pop Tarts, y'all. Now, that's only the people who've been with me a long time. Y'all know I'm getting ready to be in search of, around October into September, my pumpkin Pop Tarts. But no, that pumpkin spice doesn't even taste like pumpkin. It's not good at all. So, but the box is cute. Look. So anyway, on that note, I'd like to thank you again for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.